Hey, food lovers! Today we're making a fudgy chocolate brownie with a twist, apricot jam, and a rich chocolate glaze. It's super easy and totally irresistible, so let's dive in before I eat it all. First things first, grab a big old bowl because things are about to get sweet and sticky. Crack an egg, toss it in, and let's whisk it up with 340 grams of sugar. Yeah, it sounds like a lot. But we're here for brownies, not diet food, right? Now, slowly add your milk and don't forget to whisk like your life depends on it. Pour in the oil 150 milliliters, give it a swirl, and watch it come together into this glossy mixture of goodness. But hold on, we're not done yet. It's time for the dry team to join the party. Grab 30 grams of cocoa, nine grams of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. .390 grams of flour. Sift them in because we're classy like that, and carefully fold everything together. Be gentle here. You don't want a flour explosion covering your entire kitchen. Here comes the fun part, vanilla extract. Add it to taste. And of course, the hero of this dish, 130 grams of apricot jam. You're probably thinking, jam in a brownie? But trust me, it works. Mix it all up until no lumps are left, and the batter looks smooth and ready for action. Grab a lined baking tray, pour in the batter, and don't forget to shake it and tap it on the table like it's a maraca. Into the oven it goes at 180 degrees Celsius for about an hour. Use the toothpick test to check if it's fully baked. If the toothpick comes out clean, we're good to go. Don't worry if it cracks on top, it just gives it some character. Or as I like to say, it's ready for Halloween. While our brownie is cooling down, it's time to make the glaze. In a bowl, toss in 200 grams of chocolate chips mix of dark and milk because we're fancy like that. Now, heat up 270 milliliters of liquid cream until it's almost boiling, and pour it over the chocolate. Stir until it's smooth and glossy, like the cover of a food magazine. And just try not to eat it by the spoonful. Trust me, I've been there. Now that our brownie has cooled down, remove it from the tray. Pour that silky chocolate glaze all over it and spread it like you're frosting a cake for the queen. And for decoration, I went with some chocolatey caramel crunch and a sprinkle of silver cake decor powder, because why not add a little bling to our brownies? And voila! We've got rich, fudgy brownies with a surprise apricot twist, topped with a decadent chocolate glaze. Just look at this beauty. Doesn't it make you want to grab a bite through the screen? If you loved this recipe, give it a like, subscribe for more deliciousness, and let me know in the comments if you give this a try. And hey, if you ate half the glaze while making it, no judgment from me. I'll see you next time with more irresistible recipes. Until then, happy baking and try not to eat it all at once.